Sources say that Energy Secretary Christopher Wright will attend an industry conference in Florida this week. That's after the president said that American companies would soon start selling Venezuela's vast oil reserves. Our Elizabeth Schulze has been tracking this for us. Okay, what exactly does this all mean? And can President Trump start doing that?
Yeah, I think the big thing to keep in mind here is it's hard for this to happen overnight. It's not like all of a sudden all of those oil reserves in Venezuela are going to come out from under the ground and start getting shipped and being sold in the global oil market. But right now, there is one American oil company, Chevron, that currently operates in Venezuela. So it would be best positioned to start kind of ramping up activities there. The reason why the president says this is a big opportunity is when you look at the oil reserves in Venezuela, it is the biggest known supply of reserves in the world. So 303 billion barrels of oil. That's about 1/5 of all of the world's supply of oil. So that is a vast resource. Right now, though, Venezuela does not actually make that much oil. It's only producing less than 1% of global supply, under 1 million barrels a day. So you can see how the White House and other companies have said there's a big opportunity there. When you have that little production but that much oil, that could mean there is money to be made. But that does take time. The president has acknowledged that the infrastructure, the actual supplies that are needed to drill oil, they are decrepit. They have been eroding because of mismanagement by the state-run enterprise. And it's going to take years and billions of dollars to build that back up. Plus, you have the reality, Kira, that right now oil prices are not trading that high. Oil is about under $60 a barrel. So that doesn't mean that there's a ton of money to be made, because right now in the global market, there's actually more supply than there is demand. So that is a little bit of a business question for oil companies who say, look, we actually have a lot of supply right now. Do we really need to tap into this huge market at this moment?